うわー、首、ぐわ。No. Good morning. Okay, I'm coming to the jetty with this lure. Major Craft Jigpara Blade. Okay, let's go. Hello, this is Angrawaki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. I'll introduce how to fish in the Japanese way using popular techniques in Japan and Japanese fishing gear. This is a saltwater fishing video. Major Craft Jigpara Blade. Braid baits by Major Craft. As you may know, Major Craft is a Japanese fishing brand producing lots of fishing gear. Jigpara lures are their most popular product specialized in saltwater fishing. It's a very popular product in Japan. We can find them at the local tackle shops here in California. I believe this has got popular in the West Coast saltwater anglers too. Sold at an affordable price. Many choices in types, weights, and colors. In this video, I'll show you how to catch fish using Jigpara Blade in saltwater shore fishing a jetty. This is what I'm using in this video. I got this at Tackle Warehouse. This is sold as a freshwater bass fishing lure, but can be used for saltwater without any problem. I believe this color is unique in the US. I can't find this in Japan. Oikawa color. This model has two eyes, a front eye and a rear eye. Which one we should use? It's up to what we want. Setting the snap at the front eye, we can have slight tight and modest wobbling action than when we set the line at the rear eye. I mean, the rear eye provides bigger action. For the lifting and falling technique, I'd recommend using a rear eye. For steady retrieving, maybe a front eye could be a good option. Blade baits are super high appealing lure. Sometimes it can be too much. First a couple of casts, fish would actively chase the lure. But fish also can easily lose their interest and can be like, "Don't bother me, go away, you're too annoying." So, it's all up to the condition and how you approach it. Okay, let's check out my fishing footage. I hope you enjoy it. Go. The weather is overcast. Not a sunny day today. It's a little bit cold. Yes, it's winter. It's winter. Happy holidays. Be careful. Wet rocks are very slippery. Be careful. This is my setup today. Daiwa Saltist 902 MFS. And Daiwa Certate 4000, a compact model CXH extra high speed gear. And Jigpara Blade 75, meaning 75 millimeters, 18 grams. Oikawa color. Oikawa. Oikawa is a Japanese freshwater fish. It's small, beautiful fish, common in Japan. When the spawning season comes, Oikawa's male covered by brilliant colors. It's so beautiful. Hey. Come on. Okay. Fish. First fish. Oh, mackerel. Mac. Ha 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 ha. Mackerel. Yes. Jigpara Blade. Mac. Something. Bite. Could be mackerel. No? What? What? エソちゃん。エソ。Wow. This is lizard fish. Lizard fish. The difference between blade baits and metal jig. Blade baits, just reading it, it automatically made this vibration. And that vibration also produces flashing of lights that get attention of fish eaters. Just reading. Wow, I can feel lure vibrate swimming like brrr. So it's Easy to manipulate, easy to fish. Wow, nice bite. Wow, could be good one. No. No. Okay. No rocks. Come on, get out from rocks. Okay. Wow, calico. This fish tried to bite front hook, but it missed. But rear hook got this point. I was lucky. Nice calico. See you. Bye bye.